Hey guys, it's Nina here, and today, I'm gonna show you my pet chicken. So I don't have only one, I have a million. Just kidding, I have a lot. And she's one of the nicest ones. She's very old. She's getting really old. And as you can see, she's nice, friendly. Her nest is actually in here. Like where she likes to hang out. So let me just put her there and I'll show you guys. And there's my chicken in her nest, her little hay nest, kind of. And I'm just gonna, sorry the camera's crooked, but I'm just gonna let her sit there and calm down because she's been having like a rough day. Hey guys, it's Nina here, and this song is dedicated to Cora, my chicken. Do 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 do. I have a friend named Cora the chicken. Yeah, I have a friend named Cora the chicken. I have a friend named Cora the chicken. Oh, my favorite chicken in the whole entire world is Cora. I can hear her name in my mind. Cora. She's the best chicken I've ever seen before. Cora. I love her so much. Cora! I have a friend. I have a friend named Cora the chicken. So I hope you enjoyed. We'll see what Cora thinks. So bye bye. Oh, this is supposed to be a happy video, so bye bye.